Hello, everyone in the world. My name is Rifki. Thank you for clicking in this video and welcome to Mathelegent. Where's the math makes you intelligent? Okay, fellas, let's look around. In the park, when you walking around it, as you can see, there are some trees have no same height. So why this is happening? It can be explained in math. Are you wondering? So let's get to the topic. That problem, we can the math of is of parameter. What is a parameter? Parameter is a value that built in the function. For example, we can see the function of length of tree is 20 multiplied dh. For the example, we can see the tree out there is age of 4 years, and the second one is 3 years. And what length? What? How many length that tree can grow up? It is where when you can multiply the 20 multiply the age of the tree. And the one is 4 years. We can multiply 20 multiply 4 is 80 centimeter. And 20 multiply 3 is 60 centimeter. So basically, from that problem, we can see the more older the trees, the more taller it is. So if you if you're wondering more curious about this problem, maybe we can dig down for this material, the chapter 2. Let's go to the chapter 2. Welcome to the chapter 2. In this chapter, I will explain more about the output. What is an output mean? Okay, so the output more like if you so the output thingy is based from word out. Now when you see uh, in the before in the before in the before we talk about the parameters, and the parameters need the input. So after the parameters or the value which is built in the function. So we got an result, and the result which it is called output. Until this, maybe this is a scheme, or this is a way the function how it works. Now let's get into the example of the function in math, or maybe we can see it more basic, or more basic, like the problem that we have talked about. Like if we got in 3 problem, we got the age, which means it is an input multiplied by 20 centimeter, which is this is parameters.
then result of this we call output. Like we can say that the tree have 4 years. So 4 multiplied 20 is it 80 centimeter. Now let's get back. Let's going to the all the function that you have been hard on to solve it, right? Right. Yeah. Okay. So here we are. We get a function like this. The function of x is x squared plus 3x plus 6. Now we see here, this is a function, or for more basic thingy, it called the parameters. Like this is the input, this is the input, so we can input the ex, which like we can do the example like 2 x equals 2, so the function must be f sorry, the function must be f function of 2 equals 2 square plus 3 multiplied 2 plus 6. So with the result is 16, and the 16 is an output. We can have a conclusion here. I'm sorry. We have a conclusion here. After we talk about the parameter, we talk about the output, we get a conclusion of what the function means. Or maybe we can say it is an exercise, right? So here we are. The conclusion is like you can say parameters is a value that built in the function, and the output is it a result of the function. So after we conclude this, maybe we can solve this problem. Like we have like I have a story. My sister bought me a drug. It is about $3 for six drugs, and then my mother brought me and I don't know, like and coffee with the price is $2 for 1 cup coffee. So if my sister and my mother give me a 12 drugs plus 3 cups of coffee, how many price that they spend for me? So yes, I know, I'm the greedy one for this. Okay, so here we are. We all know that 6 drugs price of 6 drugs is $3. So we can can calculate like if 6 drugs like this, 6 drugs is cost $3. So if we just have 1 drugs, it is just cost 0.5, right? And then if 1 cup of coffee is it costs $2. Yes, so I want a 12 drugs and 3 cups of coffee. So this is the parameters. This is what I call parameters. This one. The price is parameter. Like 1 coffee is cost $2 and 1 drugs is costs $0.5. And I want 12 drugs and 3 cups. So we can translate it into the math writing, or we can say the function. It is we can say it is here with the function 0.5x plus 2y, and yes, this is the function, or this is we call the parameters. Now we input what I wanted, so I want 12 drugs and 3 cups of coffee. So just input it like 12 as like x is in drugs, so I want 12 drugs, so 0.5 is multiplied by 12, then plus 2 multiplied by 3, because I want 3 cups of coffee. Then we get a result like 6 plus 6. It is mean $12. So here's the input. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the output. Like my sister and my mother must output $12 of there, so they can buy me some drugs and some cup of coffee. Okay, so this is it. Maybe here's a last section of me. I'm sorry if there's so many error or so many mistake, because this is my first time I make a video. So please give me a feedback from my Instagram with @rifkiaziz, my Twitter @rifkiaziz, and my Facebook @rifkiaziz. So hope you like it. If you like it, leave me a like. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. So thank you for watching until now. See you next time. Bye bye.